With this new Canva update, it's now so easy to add gradient color to your text. Let me show you how. Here on this design I'm working on, I will go over to text here and I'll click on add a text box. Let me type in the text I want to add. This is the text I want to apply the gradient color to. Now I'll go over to colors here and just scroll down. You see the normal default solid colors we have here. And if you go down, you'll see now that you can now add gradient colors to your text. I'm going to quickly select the part of the text I want to add the gradient color to, because I want to style them with different gradient color. Let's select this one. Let's pick this one. Select this one. And let's select the gradient color for this. And for all this gradients color, you can go in again and customize this gradients color. Say we selected this one and we'll go back into the text color. Let's come down to find the text color. You see, this is the gradients color. You can see it's a linear gradient. I will click on it to open it up, and you see this, it has two colors inside. You can add more colors to it here, and you can pick whatever color you want to blend it further with. And also you can come back here and center it to the middle, or change the circular gradient, change the style of it. You can make it like so or like so, and you can add up to 7 colors. Let's pick something in this range and put it here. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Remember, keep creating till you make it. Do have a good one.